35 Surprising Uses for Vaseline, Beauty Tricks and Home Tips. Hello everyone. Today we will discover no less than 35 unexpected uses for Vaseline, alternating beauty tricks and household tips. I bet you will find more than one great idea to put into practice right away. 1. Super soft lips. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline before going to bed. In the morning, your lips will be soft and moisturized, ready for any lipstick or gloss. 2. Rust protection. If you have metal tools or objects that tend to rust, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to a clean, dry surface. This will protect them from moisture and corrosion. 3. Belly and stretch marks. A constant massage with Vaseline on the belly area helps keep the skin more elastic and hydrated. It is a great ally to prevent stretch marks and keep the skin more toned. 4. Shine leather bags and shoes. Put some Vaseline on a soft cloth and rub it on leather bags, shoes or jackets. Wipe off the excess with a clean cloth and watch them shine again. 5. Radiant lashes. Applying a light layer of Vaseline to your eyelashes before bed can help make them look stronger and shinier. Be careful not to overuse it and avoid getting the product in your eyes. 6. Removing gum from your hair. If, by bad luck, you get a piece of gum stuck in your hair, don't panic. Massage the area with a little Vaseline. The gum will come off more easily, without the need for scissors. 7. Glowing cheeks. Looking for a natural glow effect? Dab some Vaseline on your cheekbones for a subtle illuminating touch, perfect for photos and selfies. 8. Add shine to wooden surfaces. If you don't have a specific product on hand, use Vaseline to quickly enhance the appearance of wooden tables, chairs, or furniture. Apply a small amount in circular motions and remove the excess with a dry cloth. 9. Cuticle protection. Before applying the polish, rub a little Vaseline around your nails. If the color runs a little, it won't stick to your skin and it will be easier to clean any stains. 10. Remove adhesive residue. When you remove labels or adhesive tape, a sticky layer is often left behind. Massage a little Vaseline into the area, let it sit for a few minutes, and remove the adhesive with a damp cloth. 11. Dry-proof manicure and pedicure. For dry hands and feet, apply a generous amount of Vaseline before bed and cover them with cotton socks or gloves. When you wake up, your skin will be incredibly soft. 12. Make it easier to remove rings. If a ring gets stuck on your finger, apply Vaseline around it. Gently move it back and forth, it will soon slide off without any problem. 13. Hydrated eye contour. The skin under the eyes is very thin and prone to wrinkles. A light layer of Vaseline every night, massaged gently, helps to keep the area hydrated and delay the appearance of fine lines. 14. Odor control in the litter box. If you have a cat, you know how difficult it can be to keep odors out of the litter box. Apply a light layer of Vaseline to the bottom of the box before filling it. This will make it easier to clean and will help control odor. 15. Defined eyebrows. If your eyebrows tend to get messy, fix them with a little Vaseline. A very small amount will keep them combed and in place all day long. 16. Fix stuck zippers. Do you have a jacket or bag zipper that is resistant to sliding? Apply a little Vaseline to the zipper teeth and move it back and forth. You'll see how easily it slides again. 17. Homemade creamy eyeliner. If you want a softer eyeliner effect, mix a little Vaseline with a dark eyeshadow powder. You will get a creamy paste that is easy to apply and has a slight shine. 18. Prevent henna from fading. When applying henna to your hands, feet, or hair, spread a little Vaseline around the area you are going to treat. This will prevent the dye from spreading or staining your skin. 19. Gentle makeup remover. In an emergency, Vaseline can work as a makeup remover. Apply a little to a cotton pad and gently wipe over your face to remove light makeup, then rinse with warm water. 20. Reduce scratches on furniture. If a piece of wooden furniture has superficial scratches, cover the area with a little Vaseline. Leave it to sit for a few hours and then remove it with a cloth. The scratch will be less noticeable. 21. Custom gloss. If you have a lipstick that is almost finished, take out the remains and mix them with Vaseline. You will get a new, moisturizing lip gloss with a unique color. 22. Protect your skin while dyeing. When dyeing your hair at home, apply Vaseline to your hairline, neck and ears. This will prevent dye stains on your skin, which are often difficult to remove. 23. Soothe skin after waxing. After waxing or shaving, skin can become red. A gentle massage with Vaseline provides relief and reduces redness, especially in sensitive areas such as the groin and armpits. 24. Prevent chafing. For athletes or those who suffer from chafing, applying Vaseline to strategic areas such as the inner thighs or armpits helps reduce friction and prevent discomfort. 25. Cracked heels. If your heels are dry and cracked, treat them to a nightly treatment, apply Vaseline and wear cotton socks. In the morning, your feet will feel much softer. 26. Protection from the cold. Snow, wind and intense cold can damage the skin. A layer of Vaseline on the face or hands creates an effective protective shield, even used by athletes in winter competitions. 27. Control frizz. If your hair is frizzy or unruly, warm a tiny amount of Vaseline between your fingers and rub it through the ends. Goodbye to the straw-like effect. Just be careful not to overdo it so that it doesn't look greasy. 28. Pool protection. Chlorine dries out skin and hair. Apply a little Vaseline to sensitive areas, such as hands and feet, before swimming to prevent excessive dehydration. 29. Body highlighter. If you want a touch of light on your shoulders, arms or legs, mix a little Vaseline with gold or silver pigments. You will get a shiny effect that is perfect for special occasions. 30. Long-lasting perfume. Does your favorite fragrance fade quickly? First apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your wrists and neck, then spray on the perfume. The ointment will retain the scent for longer. 31. Soothe insect bites. If you've been bitten by a mosquito or insect, apply a small amount of Vaseline to the bite to help soothe the irritation and itchiness. Make sure to clean the area thoroughly before using it. 32. Protect your skin when painting walls. Are you going to do some renovations at home? If you don't have gloves on hand or want extra protection, rub a little Vaseline on your hands, wrists, and exposed areas of skin. This will prevent the paint from sticking and will make it easier to remove. 33. Shape your mustache and beard. A light touch of Vaseline can help tame and shape your mustache or beard. Warm a small amount between your fingers and apply to get a more defined look without resorting to expensive waxes. 34. Seal split ends. If your ends are dry or split, put a small amount of Vaseline on your hands, rub them together and spread it over the ends of your hair to temporarily seal them and reduce the frizz effect. 35. Make it easier to put on earrings. Do you have earrings that are hard to insert or make your earlobe look too big when you put them on? Apply a little Vaseline to the earring post or the hole in your ear. You will notice how it slides in more easily and without discomfort. And with these 5 more tricks, we have reached 35 total uses for Vaseline. Now you have plenty of ideas to get the most out of it, both in your beauty routine and in home care. Which of these uses did you find most useful? Tell us in the comments. Until next time.